It used to be that people that didn't have a specialization would get into the game industry by starting as a game testers, and then perhaps they would move to different roles. Would you say, would you say that is still the case?
Yes, definitely. Like I have a lot of people I know personally, which I trying to convince to go to the game testing. Why? Because like for the junior game tester, like the entry position, you would need a lot of passion for games, of course, and just some basic understanding and analytical thinking. That's it. Like, of course, like English, some other things like I don't know, education and so on. That's the regular stuff, but you are not expected to have some technical stuff like the junior game developer will should have. So yeah, it's easier.
Okay, so let's say I am someone who doesn't have a technical expertise but would like to work in games. How do I get this first game testing job?
Well, basically, I would advise to start like if you are playing games regularly on the day-to-day business, it will be easier because you have the understanding how different sort of games may work. On the interviews, the usual questions is how would you test this and what type of games you played before, like what's the difference between those type of games and those type of games. Like to pass the interview, it's like really important to have the understanding of different type of games. So if your background in playing games is poor, then you may bring something else to the table, like for example perfect English, or like some other out of the box thinking, and they will notice it during the interview. So it doesn't mean that if you are not playing regularly you can't become a game tester, because I know people that don't play like games at all in their free time, just like for example a couple of days in a month, so it's not that much, uh, but yeah, they actually working as game testers, so it's possible.
Gotcha. So, kind of focusing on having a good variety. If you're trying to maximize your chances, then focusing on having a good
Yeah,
variety in gaming with that experience, and then try to bring something other to the table, like out of the box thinking or whatnot.